Hi, so I want to share this opportunity with you, okay? Now, this crypto trading platform, Bybit, they are giving out so many gifts this particular Christmas. In fact, from now all the way to December 2023, you stand a chance to win an iPhone, which is iPhone 15, MacBook Pro. You can win, 10,000 USDT. You can even win a 2-bedroom house as well. Now, this is, exciting. These offers are amazing. So if you live in Africa, of course, this offer is exclusive for people living in Africa. So in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, wherever you may be within the African continent, you stand a chance to win any of these exciting prizes. Now, all you need is a Bybit account. You can sign up with my link in the description of this video. When you do that, you also get extra bonuses as well. So I do encourage that you use that. Over here on the giveaway page, you realize that this is exclusive for people living in Africa. And then the requirement is simple. You just have to deposit, on your Bybit account, and then you can quickly just buy something with your USDT or sell it or anything like that. Then you get a chance to win a 2-bedroom house, an iPhone 15 or MacBook. You can even get a gold Gucci watch or up to $10,000 dollars in USDT. So this is great, right? This is an amazing opportunity for you to win something for yourself. And if of course you don't win anything, you don't lose anything as well, because the crypto that you buy, the USDT that you buy on this platform, you can also sell it on the P2P section of this same platform and get your cash back, so you don't lose anything. So if you have, let's say, 200 cedis and then you buy USDT worth of 200 cedis on this platform, later on you can just sell that 200 cedi worth of USDT and get your cash back. You can even sell it and then buy again, sell it and buy again, so you can grow your balance and all of that. So it's not that complicated. As soon as you're done with everything, signing up, verifying and doing all those basic stuff, you just come on here and then you click on let's go. As soon as you tap on let's go, the final result is going to be one of these. So here it says a Gucci watch worth $1,500. There's better luck next time. Nobody wants that. Now the other one is the iPhone 15 or MacBook, right? That is worth $1,000. There's another better luck next time. We don't want that one. Now this is the other option. It says 2-bedroom house. This is the ultimate price, worth $25,000. Now, if you live in Ghana and then you possibly win this, imagine you win a house for yourself. It's great, right? Now, there's also other options here. You can get $2 in USD tokens. That's small, but well, better luck next time. It's better than better luck next time. So, right, there's also 5 USDT tokens here worth about $5. There's another better luck next time here, and then there is $10 worth of USDT tokens. So these are all the options that are available, and when you spend, you're probably going to win one of these options. It's pretty simple. It's just about luck and the time that you are spending this and all of that. But I do urge you to sign up, create an account, use it, and then come on here and play this game. Try to see if you can win something for yourself. And of course, if you have any challenge, you can let me know in the comment section. Again, if you don't have a Bybit account, there's a link in the description of this video, my link, that you can use to create a Bybit account. And again, you will get bonuses when you use my link, so I encourage you to do that. Now, if you have any challenge with creating a Bybit account or buying crypto with your mobile money on Bybit, do let me know in the comment section. I'll share other videos on that as well. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. Please subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell as well. Like this video, leave a comment, and then share it to someone who may need it the most. My name is Alfred. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.